In today's global wood industry, legally procured timber is not an option, it is a responsibility. Every log we source begins its journey with certification from the Forest Department of India. Only legally harvested wood, approved under strict forestry regulations, enters our production chain. Once the logs reach our facility, the documentation process begins. Each bundle is individually verified, measured, and cross-checked. Dimensions are counted, documents are matched, inventory is reconciled, and even waste material is recorded and certified. Every single bundle is then marked with a legal procurement number and stamped with the official Forest Department of India seal, ensuring full traceability. This is not paperwork, this is proof. Before shipment, the process continues. Officials from the DFO and Ministry of Forestry physically inspect the goods. Only after verification is the export shipment stamped and approved. The consignment is then presented to the Wildlife Control Bureau, where the final certification is issued, authorizing it for legal export. Today, documentation has evolved. Beyond paper seals, we now follow modern certification systems, ensuring transparency at every level. Why does this matter? Because customers only trust what can be proven. Only legally procured, fully certified wood holds long-term value in the global market. Many can sell wood, but very few can show this level of compliance, exposure, and accountability. The more transparent the process, the stronger the trust, the higher the brand value. This is not just certification. This is a process that sets us apart. A process few follow, a process customers believe in. Because in this industry, documentation is not drama, it is credibility.